What if the human body is guided by more than genes and chemistry? What if electricity also helps tell cells where to move, when to grow, and how to repair damage? Robert O. Becker was an American orthopedic surgeon who asked exactly those questions. He studied bones, wounds, and regeneration. But he became increasingly interested in something deeper. How does living tissue know what to rebuild? And how does it know when to stop? Becker believed that slow electrical signals might help coordinate healing and biological form. Everyone knows that nerves and muscles use electricity. But Becker proposed that voltage patterns could also act as a kind of organizing language across tissues. His most famous experiments compared salamanders and frogs. A frog usually heals an amputated limb by forming scar tissue. A salamander can rebuild the missing limb, including bone, muscle, nerves, and skin. Becker measured the electrical potential around the wounds. Both animals initially produced a positive injury signal, but in the salamander, the voltage later reversed and became negative as regeneration began. Becker wondered whether this electrical change helped trigger the rebuilding process. He also studied bone. His research suggested that small electrical currents could influence bone growth under carefully controlled conditions. This work contributed to the wider development of electrical bone growth stimulation, which is still used in selected medical cases. In 1985, Becker published The Bioelectric. The book argued that living organisms should not be understood through chemistry alone. Some of its claims went beyond the available evidence, and several of Becker's broader ideas remain disputed. But his central question did not disappear. Today, researchers study how membrane voltage, ion channels, and electrical fields influence wound healing, embryonic development, cell movement, and regeneration. Modern experiments have shown that electrical signals can help guide cells and alter developing biological structures. This does not prove Becker's entire theory, but it suggests that he was asking an important question decades before the necessary tools existed. Life is chemical, genetic, mechanical, and electrical at the same time. Every cell maintains a voltage. Every injury disturbs electrical currents, and biology may be shaped by several languages working together. Robert O. Becker did not complete the theory of bioelectric life, but he helped reopen a field that science is still exploring today.